So most my pixel doesn't track anything on Facebook because my brand have been flagged in the health categorization on the last Facebook update. Do you know why they did this huge change? And is there any solution for tracking?
Yeah, a lot of people lost a lot of money with this update. Like literally, brands are dying because of the health categorization on health brands. So yeah, I will explain you why they did this and what are the solutions. And good news is you will still be able to scale. And in this industry, there will always be like solutions and turnarounds. So let's explore what we can do. So why they did this? So Facebook on the health niche was collecting a lot of sensitive informations such as social number or health information about their customers, and of course they want to comply with whatever rules the government in the US might tell them to make sure that they can still operate. So I know it killed a lot of brands, and yeah, it's super impactful. Some people literally divided their revenue by 10, by 20 because of that update. What are the solutions? The solution is custom conversions. So basically, for a very long time, there is this feature in Facebook that allows you to set up some custom conversion events. So basically, those custom conversion events or have been made at the first place for events that Facebook doesn't really know what it is for specific businesses, or maybe you're using some specific funnel and you want to fire an event when people click a button or something like that. So it's just a more deeper tool to customize your events, but so far this tool was not super popular because the original conversion system by Facebook was working very well with add to cart and purchase conversion events. So the idea, it's still not clear, but there is a lot of people in the industry working out some solutions. But the idea is to make sure that your front funnel doesn't get categorized as health. And then from there, when people arrive to your landing page, you can set up some kind of conversion, some event, and then send them to a second funnel where you will actually sell them your health product, and then eventually send back the information to the first funnel that, oh, it was actually a sale or something. So that's some exploration that's going on right now. The right solution is not absolutely clear, but it's going to be absolutely on this custom conversion system. So that's the first insights we have at today's date. Yeah.
Okay, I see. Thank you.